Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can download or upload files in Dropbox. So let me type Dropbox, then you can simply go here and after that you can create a free account. And to create account, just you can go and click on sign up button. So now if you want to upload files, then simply you can click on, also you can see upload button. So click here to upload files, as well as you can directly upload folders. And here I have one demo file. So guys, now here you can see file is uploading on the left side, and file upload is successful. You can just copy the file link and you can share with anyone else. And after that, if you want to download this file, then you can simply click on the download button and make sure that you have selected the file that you want to download. Then final step is press the download button, then file will be downloaded into your laptop.